নমস্কার, স্বাগত আপনাদের ত্রিপুরা নিউজ 8 এর পর্দায়। আমি আপনাদের সাথে আছি পূজা। ত্রিপুরা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের নর্থ ইস্ট ইন্ডিয়া কমার্স অ্যান্ড ম্যানেজমেন্ট অ্যাসোসিয়েশনের বার্ষিক সম্মেলনের উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠান অনুষ্ঠিত হয় শুক্রবার মহারাজা বীর বিক্রম শতবার্ষিকী ভবনে। বার্ষিক সম্মেলনের উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন মন্ত্রী সুধাংশু দাস সহ অন্যান্য আধিকারিকরা।
A Unity Mall will be constructed within outlay of amount rupees 100 crore at Agartala to display and sell unique product of Tripura and other state. As you all know, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has decided to establish Unity Mall in every state. So this is our great privilege also that we got this opportunity, and already site is being finalized. I think very near to your university, the Department of Industry and Department of Revenue Department has decided to construct the Unity Mall at near the Hapania fairground. So very shortly, and I think the decision of the government, which is being taken in early cabinet, by 2024, 15th August before. I think the date is 15th. This is the target. Before that, we will construct this Unity Mall, which will be a best game changer for the Tripura also, for where the people of Tripura and our valuable product we can steal from this Unity Mall. And every state will also participate, and also we open their unique or innovative stall in this particular Unity Mall. As you all know, economy is also depend on our rural activities as well as our tourism. Tourism department is the playing a vital role to improve our economical strength. After form our BJP government led by the our Dr. Manishan, our ex-Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Tripura now is very much popular in across the country.
Bureau Report, Tripura News 8.